Yeah, when I bought this Kia Sportage EX 2023, I thought it would come with everything, but I was totally wrong. And some of the things which I've been missing the most was, for example, a cargo cover. By the way, I got it actually for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but still my honest opinion, because I would never claim something which is not true. So let's see how to install and how to use it. And it comes in absolutely awesome quality, and you can see this really nice carbon fiber texture here, which makes it look very, very beautiful. We have also these push-in parts on both of the sides for easy installation, and what's awesome here is that both of the ends are coated here nicely, super smooth, so it's not scratching anything. And so very important for the installation to have it like that, with the carbon fiber design on top and flush with this full aluminum bar. And so we align it here on the left side. You can choose where to mount, either here or here, depending on the backrest. And then on the other side, we just squeeze it together and push it to the front, and it's automatically secured, as easy as it goes. Absolutely no tools needed. And so it's super easy to close. You can see it, just pull here and then align it here on the left and on the right side. Push it a little bit up and let it go. And so everything is nicely covered now, nicely protected against heat. Nobody can see what's inside. And so let's also close the back door. Yeah, absolutely no problem. You can see open, close, absolutely no problem. And when you want to load, unload, you just pull, lower it a little bit and let it go. And then you can have it like that. Yeah, what a difference. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I think huge plus regarding safety protection and also regarding style. Quality is awesome. Easy to mount in just 1 minute. Doesn't get any better than that. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this cargo cover, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.